Yawning might seem like a simple reflex, but your brain may be using it to reset itself. Yawning is a natural reflex that involves a deep inhale followed by a slow exhale. Scientists believe yawning helps regulate brain temperature and increase oxygen flow to brain. When you're tired, bored, or mentally fatigued, brain activity can slow slightly. A yawn stretches the lungs and facial muscles while drawing in a large amount of air. This may improve circulation and help the brain stay alert. Yawning is also contagious because certain brain areas linked to empathy and social behavior become activated when we see others yawn.